so I want to go over some front rack mobility drills to do before front squatting or doing anything from the front rack position to help you get in that better position where you're having to use your arms a little bit less and let that bar rest on your shoulders. So this is my starting position before I've done anything. Just want to see what the improvement can be, feel a little bit of my wrist, a little bit of the elbow. So what I like to do is start with some soft tissue. So get on the bar and even start with your forearm. You just kind of mashing down on it, rocking back and forth, kind of side to side. Loosen up that tissue in the front of the forearm to help with that wrist mobility. So we'll kind of work there just for 30 seconds or so, and then mainly targeting the tricep and all the way into the lat. And so we'll just rock back and forth here. Flex and extend, just kind of playing with that range of motion, working your way from the elbow all the way up again, all the way up into the armpit, and hitting that tricep, then trying to get all the way up where you can kind of get in that lat insertion right there. And same thing, mashing down, and you can even rock up like that and kind of get into that reach where you can contract and reach with that lat. And then lastly, I'll do that one a little bit longer, maybe 60 to 90 seconds per side. And then lastly, that position, just grab this band and get into a stretch where you're stretching that tricep and lat and everything here, and that's pulling you down. And we'll hit that for a little while. So go through those three things and see how that is. You can see right there the difference that just made on one side. And then if you need to, a little bit more for the wrist mobility, I will use, typically get on the ground just to make sure you can see, where we'll just turn the fingers back towards you, get that palm fully on the ground, and then just lean back, rocking and stretching the front side of that forearm and wrist in that position. And then the same thing, palm of your hand down, and we'll lean and stretch away. And if that's pretty comfortable for you, if that's not tight, then flexing your fist and keeping that down, and then pressing away from it. That's going to add a little bit more tension to the back side of that hand. So stretching both the front and the back side to loosen that wrist up a little bit more. That's for the front rack mobility.